today, and this is based on our constitution that places prominence on consultation and cooperative model of the devolved system of government. The Executive Order number 1 of 2023 establishes the State Department for Devolution under the Office of the Deputy President, which has a mandate of coordination and overseeing the implementation of devolution. In addition, the Intergovernmental Relations Technical Committee is established under Section 1, under Section 11 of the Intergovernmental Relations Act of 2012 to undertake the residue functions of the de facto transition authority, which conclude on the transfer of functions and attendant resources as per the Constitution. During the 10th ordinary session of the National and County Government Coordinating Summit, which was held on 18th December 2023, the summit directed that the process of valuation of the registrable assets
la kutathmini assets mali ya county ni gani, but na imani kubwa nikimsikiza PS hapa, na imani kubwa kwamba katika hizi siku 29 ambazo wamepeana finally tutamaliza hili jambo, kusudi ile mikakati ambayo imebakia ya kuhakikisha kwamba county wanapewa kilicho chao wanapewa. Kwa nini tunatafuta hizi assets? Na wazi Madam PS amesema pale tuko ofisini, hatuwezi kujua county yetu ya Mombasa utajiri wake uko kiasi gani. Wajua utajua utajiri wako kulingana na ulicho nacho. Ni kama wewe ambao una nyumba.
Now I carry a Korea